Hey, good people. God never ceases to amaze me. And I was like literally watching TV the other night, and somehow like I was on Netflixing and all in it. You know what I mean? And somehow I lost signal. I lost internet service. And then I put it on this other channel. And there was this scene in this movie, and the lady, like, she lost her gift. She couldn't sing anymore. And I got to go back and watch the whole movie. Anyway, this little snippet, it was like she ended up acknowledging it, accepting it, blah, 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 blah. Then the angel went up to heaven, and he was like, okay, I think she's earned her gift back. Give it back to her. And then, like, she's singing, like, in this low voice, and all of a sudden, like, boop, she just, like, starts blaring out, like Mariah Carey meet Whitney Houston, meet Deborah Cox, meet Sierra Aguilera, all of them, right? And it's like she earned her gift back. In my spirit, God says, I'm giving you your gift back. You've shown worthy of it. You can handle the blessings. You can handle the opportunities. You can handle the prosecution. You can handle all of it. I'm giving you your gift back. Today is your day. You have arrived. You have ascended. Walk in it. Own it. Do it right now. No hold back. You got this. Do you understand me? Do it unapologetically, you. And if they say something, at least they thinking about you. Okay? Go do you, because I got to go do me. Okay.